Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my ReddBuilder review. In this review, I'll be showing you what ReddBuilder is, and also most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best results with ReddBuilder. This is my bonus page. You find the link to this page in the description of this video. ReddBuilder launches on the 11th of August by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a software in form of a WordPress plugin. So you need to have a WordPress website to use ReddBuilder, and this allows you to fetch done for you content from Reddit. Reddit is a website that records millions of monthly visitors, and Reddit is divided into subreddits based on interest, and this is where posts actually go viral. You are going to be getting access to content that is proven to drive some organic traffic. Now you are going to be able to add this content automatically to your website, and this does not require you to write a single line of content. You'll be able to add these based on categories, and then this gives you the opportunity to drive some organic traffic to your website. Now we're going to get back to this in a short while, but right now I'm going to reveal the custom bonuses you are going to be getting from me in addition to ReddBuilder. And my bonus number one, you are going to be getting access to a WordPress mega slider. You are going to be able to add this to your WordPress website, and this gives you access to a slider, image slider, which you can customize, and you can actually use this to promote affiliate offers. And this also allows people to basically interact with you on your website, and this also allows you to retain visitors, which automatically allows you to get conversions and ultimately sales on any website. Also, bonus number two, this allows you to load up your website with some fresh RSS content. Also, this does not require you to write a single line of content, as this is the best way to feed your website with content on a regular basis without you having to do any manual work, so to speak. Also, bonus number three, this is a cloud-based software, and this is a done for you. This gives you access to done for you product reviews. You don't need WordPress for this. You don't need a website for this one because this is cloud-based, and this basically allows you to activate your own website. This contains done for you product reviews, and this gives you access to product reviews from ClickBank, where you don't even need to get approved in order to promote and make sales with affiliate offers. All you need to do is sign up on ClickBank if you don't have a ClickBank account yet, and once you sign up, you can then get your ClickBank affiliate ID, and then you can come to Octagon Pro to come and add your ClickBank affiliate ID. Now what then happens is all these done for you product reviews become activated with your affiliate links, and when people actually visit these reviews, obviously because they want to purchase this product, they buy this product, you get credited to your ClickBank account and ultimately to your bank account. Also, bonus number four, you'll be getting access to done for you affiliate marketing squeeze page templates. Normally, when you are sending people to any page or any product, you need to send them first to a squeeze page. They would need to give you their email addresses because this squeeze page is actually built up curiosity. They want to see what's on the other side. They will need to give you their email addresses, and then they will be redirected to your affiliate link. Now, this allows you to build your own list, and not only that, this cloud-based software also gives you access to done for you lead magnet. This lead magnet, you can actually give people this, you can give away this lead magnet, and also they would need to give you their email addresses to get access to your lead magnet. And then you are going to be building your list while making money promoting affiliate offers. This also has done for you video training that shows you how to make upwards of $100 per day with affiliate marketing using completely free traffic. Also, bonus number 5, I'll be showing you how to create your own WordPress website. This shows you everything from scratch. Even if you don't have any experience at all with creating a website, I'm going to show you in this training how to get your domain name, how to get hosting, how to get the cheapest hosting, how to put everything together. Now you don't have to pay anybody hundreds or even thousands of dollars to create your own website for you, because not only are you going to be able to create your own website, if you want, you also be able to create websites and sell to other people. So you are going to be able to create your affiliate websites, e-com websites, any kind of website you want to create. And also bonus number 6, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. And there's a ton of bonuses you'll be getting from the vendor also. This include WordPress, responsive slider, YouTube video gallery, Pinterest portfolio. So there's a ton of bonuses you are going to be getting, but I just needed to let you know that you'll be getting this also in addition to my own bonuses. And these bonuses are going to be waiting for you in your Warrior Plus purchase receipt. So once you log into your Warrior Plus account, just go to your purchases. You'll be able to find ReddBuilder and you find my bonuses right next to that. And what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses right now is click on any of the red buttons on my bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of ReddBuilder. This is where you'll be able to pick up ReddBuilder, and this is where you'll be getting full information about the WordPress content creation plugin. So it says, attention all marketers, profitable site builder, new software builds beginner friendly 100% automated profitable sites with free traffic in 90 seconds filled with trending content. And just to show you an example of websites created with ReddBuilder, you can see here that this basically has done for you content. All this content was actually created without you having to write a single line of code. You also be able to add banner ads on your website. Also, you can see this is also a banner ad, and this can actually link out to your to any affiliate offer you want to link out to. So this is the sales page. Come check out this sales page in your own time. There's also a video presentation here on this sales page. So feel free, come check this out in your own time to get full information about ReddBuilder. There's a ton of information right here on this sales page. So I'm just going to take you to ReddBuilder now to show you how this works. So you'll be able to see all the campaigns you've created previously, and to create a new one, all you need to do is click on add new campaign, and then you'll be able to give your campaign a name. Let's just say make money, or let's say affiliate marketing. So we now have to go and go search for a subreddit where you can basically find marketing or affiliate marketing content. And there's a ton of subreddits right here that you can basically find content from. You can see Instagram marketing. Basically, there are so many communities here that you can go and find content from. So let me just select Instagram marketing, and then you can basically just go ahead and copy the link for that subreddit, and let's come and paste our URL here, and this is the URL for that subreddit. And then you can select which category you want this to be on. Let's just say social media, or let's say digital marketing, and then you can basically post this, or you can put it on private, you can put it on pending, but let's just go ahead and publish. So all you need to do is click on save campaign, And then you can see that our campaign has been created. This is affiliate marketing, and this is the campaign that we just created now. Then you can actually go to your website, and this actually shows up on your website. Now, one other cool thing, ReddBuilder has a lot of features. One other cool thing is you can actually schedule posts to actually go out in the future. You can actually fetch content from subreddits also and make it go out on your website also in the future. And you also have the keyword link replacer. And what this does is, let's add a new one. Now you can target keywords in your post, and you can actually link out this keyword to basically any link you want, basically to any affiliate link you want, and then go ahead and save that. And if anybody actually clicks on those links, it's going to take them to your affiliate link. So that's how ReddBuilder works. It obviously comes with a ton of other features like translating to different languages. You also get access to training and tutorial, and also you get access to support with ReddBuilder. So that's how ReddBuilder works. So right now I'm going to show you the pricing and also the optional upgrades that come with ReddBuilder. So the front end goes for a one-time fee of $17. There's going to be different licenses. You either get the one for one site license or 10 site licenses. So that's the front end. There are some optional upgrades also. The first OTO is the pro version that allows you to basically put this on unlimited websites, and this goes for $37. The OTO 2 is the premium, 1K plus RSS sources to fetch content to your website, 5 WordPress themes, rights to rebrand, resell. You also get 100% access to the code. This OTO goes for $47. The third OTO is the done for you, and this allows the vendors to actually set up 10 websites complete with content, plus buyers will get 2 additional WordPress themes. Also, OTO number 4, which is the final OTO, is the white label rights, and then you get 2 options for that. White label could be for 50 accounts or unlimited accounts, and this goes for $147 or $247 respectively. So that's going to be my review for ReddBuilder. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.